I don't think we had many barriers because, you know, of course, funding is always a challenge. We were very fortunate to get a bit of money from a couple of organizations to start with. It was about 4,000, and then we've got another 3,000, so we are not a terribly rich organization, but it gave us the money for the lecturers, for the teachers' post, and some funding for additional activities, whether it was Christmas or festive period, or indeed you know, purchasing the books for first of Polish language. We had tremendous support from colleagues in the education department in Five Education. Fantastic support and encouragement from the head teacher, Caroline, and the other sort of colleagues who work for Kirkcaldy High School, St Andrews High School in Kirkcaldy, also people who work for the Five Migrants Forum, Maciej, as well as Pat, and of course, you know, the language support in Five. So challenges, yes, but more opportunities. So we are very, very fortunate actually in Five.
That's fantastic.